Trading is a trader is the only person who can make returns even when the market is going up, even when it is coming down, and even when it is sideways. All the three status he can make money, provided he knows what to do in what condition. So actually, it is like having a superpower, being a trader. So, but yes, it takes some amount of time to learn it, and then when it comes to implementing, actually it makes you a better person, because you will have to be good with your decision making abilities. You should have good analytical skills, and you should have a very clear thought process. It should not run on emotions, it should run on a system which you can you can make as per your your personality and your requirements. So this is what I feel about investing and trading.
So, and how do you think about strategy? मतलब अभी की strategy है, एक system है. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ये स्ट्रेटेजी मिल जाता तो अच्छा होता. लोग इतने सारे स्ट्रेटेजीज दे रहे हैं, बाकी सब. तो साइकोलॉजी का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है, नॉलेज और स्किल का कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और स्ट्रेटेजी का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है?
यस, सो सी, मार्केट इज वेरी डायनामिक. वो एक जैसा नहीं रहता, वो बदलता रहता है.
करेक्ट. हाँ.
तो once we know this, there is no single strategy which will work in all kind of conditions. तो ये strategy के पीछे भागने से अच्छा है we understand how the market functions. Because market at the end of the day, मैंने बोला तीन ही चीज कर सकता है, या ऊपर जा सकता है, या नीचे आ सकता है, या साइडवेज रह सकता है. तो instead of chasing strategies, if we learn what exactly the market is doing, and if we are able to find the direction, all we need to do is just go in the direction. It is as simple as that. ये करने के लिए you should have the right mentality first, which is in other words, जैसे सब लोग बोलते हैं, you should have the right psychology.
Correct. Psychology.
So psychology as per me is a major chunk. The technical part and the strategy part is just a very small part. It is predominantly how we manage ourselves when we have to take those decisions. That
Correct.
is what results in the outcome.
I guess it's a very important because of a lot of people are getting frustrated. अब इसमें एक और कॉन्सेप्ट है, या बोल सकते हो कि एक इंफॉर्मेशन है कि 90% पीपल आर इन ट्रेडिंग लूजिंग मनी, ओनली 10% आर मेकिंग मनी. देन स्टिल यू आर सेइंग कि ट्रेडिंग एक अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट और अपॉर्चुनिटी है.
Yeah, see, this is what we need to understand. The reason why this disclaimer comes on all the trading apps, जो भी आपका जो भी ब्रोकर है, उनका जो भी है, जब भी आप लॉग इन करते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे, द फर्स्ट मैसेज कम्स एज अ डिस्क्लेमर. नाउ व्हाट इज द पर्पस why this disclaimer is given? It is to create awareness. Okay, it is not to scare people. But people look at it from a different perspective where they get scared. Okay, now my point is, हाँ ठीक है, आपने बोला 9 out of 10 people are losing or 8 out of 10 people are losing. Instead of looking at 8 लोग जो lose कर रहे हैं, 2 लोग तो पैसा बना रहा है ना.
Correct.
Why don't we look at them? Why don't we find out what they are doing? Correct. And become that part. So if we look at, like, if we अभी हम ये नजरिए से देखें, then it becomes, see, the major reason why people are losing money is, see, the financial markets is a place where actually some of the best brains in the entire universe work. Now we are trying to compete against them. When हम अगर उनके साथ compete करना चाहते हैं, at least we should have some basic preparation at least done to give them some competition. Without preparation, without understanding, without knowing things, if we try to get into the racing track, obviously we will lose. What is the solution for this? It's very simple. First, understand what you are getting into. Depending on what is your risk appetite, you should be doing only so many things. You should not go beyond your means. तो ये कोई, again same comparison, कोई और कर रहा है करके हमको ट्रेडिंग नहीं करना चाहिए. हाँ, मुझे सीखने का है, इसको सही तरीके से करने का है. Then you learn it, and then if you do it, ना, it will be fine. Because see, the entire world learns on the economic markets, the financial markets. So yes, we should look at those 2 people who are actually making money and learn from them.
Any suggestion or any advice at the end, if you wanted to say to हाँ, अवॉइड दिस लॉसेस इनटू ट्रेडिंग फॉर द पीपल, मतलब क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए तो सब लोग बता ही नहीं, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए।
क्या नहीं करना चाहिए इस पहला तो एक चीज है, कंपैरिजन नहीं करना चाहिए। एवरीबडी इज एट डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स, देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल्स आर डिफरेंट, देयर रिस्क appetite is different, and their the way they manage their emotions are different. First thing is, don't compare with anyone. Second thing, what you should not be doing is going in search of some जैसे आपने बोला strategy. There is nothing called as one strategy which works for all. Instead of that, they should focus on learning the right things, the right way of doing things. And तीसरा बात मैं बताऊंगा is सी व्हेन इट कम्स टू मनी, राइट, हम जितना भी बोल लें कि इमोशंस को इंटरफियर नहीं करना चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट, बट व्हेन रियल मनी इज इन्वॉल्व्ड, obviously emotions will come into picture, and the only two emotions which come into picture is fear and greed.
Correct.
So we should try to manage these emotions. Of course, if you are able to control these emotions, very good, but if you are not able to control, at least you should learn how to manage them. तो ये कोई भी कॉलेज में या कोई भी ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में सिखाते नहीं है, ये comes by doing it on your own. When you deploy your real money, that is where is your training happens in real time. तो ये
Okay.
किसी को, ये किसी से सीख नहीं सकते हम, या कोई सिखा भी नहीं सकता है, ठीक है।
Correct.
ओनली व्हेन यू डिप्लॉय योर मनी, एंड व्हेन यू डिप्लॉय द मनी, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बोलता हूँ कि सी सब लोग बोलते हैं फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स इज रिस्की, बट मैं सब लोगों को वही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सी इन इन इफ यू टेक एनी बिजनेस without risk, there is no business, right? But instead of getting into something blindly, imagine if we can take only those opportunities in which the risk is manageable. ऐसा thought process करके करेंगे तो ये emotion of fear and greed का सवाल ही नहीं उठता, because you know अगर गलत भी होता है, कुछ आसमान या धरती फट नहीं जाएगा. Once you start doing it like that, you will only pick those opportunities in which you see that the probability of you being right is higher. ये simple process रखेंगे तो everything will fall in place. So this is what I would like to say.
Any learning book or any other very specific learning you want to recommend? And also you can, if you can give your own, you can say overall program details, your contact details, if somebody wanted to connect with you, so they will connect directly with you for
Yes.
any
So there are many
speaking or any
books.
other things.
Yes. So there are many books, but more than books, आजकल since everybody is comfortable listening to things and watching videos, I would highly recommend that they go and access this Zerodha's website called Zerodha Varsity. So there are some good modules what they have introduced there, which has been there since a long time. It's not now. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, wherein they are giving awareness about all these things in a simple language so that a common person can understand. It has also got videos, it has also got text, and वो हिंदी में भी है, इंग्लिश में भी है, so anyone will be able to understand it. So I would recommend more than a book that they should go and some 16 to 17 modules है, तो बाय द टाइम यू आर कंप्लीटेड, इसको एक साल डेढ़ साल लगेगा, इतना कंटेंट है उधर. इफ यू आर एबल टू डू इट, I think that is the best source of information what I have found till date, much more than any book what I have found. So I would recommend that. And yeah, so just go step, वो भी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से step by step, starting from the basics, by giving some real world examples so that a common person can understand, ऐसा किया है. So I would recommend that for learning. And yes, if somebody wants to learn more about Ask Traders Hub, I am available on all the social media, and maybe we will put it in the description, the link, so you can find me, and you can find about our community. And our community is a learning community. We don't provide tips to anyone, we don't tell anyone to do trading, to do investing and all that. Our job is to show you the system what we deploy, what I personally deploy on an everyday basis, so which is giving me results. So it is a very simple system what I follow, so which I just teach people, and we have a learning community through which we share this. And of course I also do a वन टू वन personalized coaching. Why? Because जैसे आपने बोला, there is no single approach or a single strategy which suits everyone. Everyone is unique. What I believe is everyone should have a different approach. Like for example, somebody is completely new to this. Few people who will have some knowledge, few people who have been doing it for years. Now हर एक के लिए एक standard program possible नहीं है. So what I have done is I have done a basic foundation level course through which they will come to know about our system, and then once they come into the community we can always design a personalized curriculum based on the requirements what they have, which will be delivered as a live one-to-one session. That is what I do. That is the way this community functions. You can of course get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to share the details with all of you.
Sir, thank you very much. Definitely,
Thank you.
this contact details and community details we will mention into description. Anybody want to reach out, definitely you can reach out to Mr. Kiran, Professor. Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you.